Let's come to this sum in like in page 124. Okay, example 9.6. okay, these sums are the application of law of conservation of momentum. Okay, according to the law of conservation of momentum, what we studied, the mass and the velocity. Okay, product of mass and velocity before collision is equal to the product of mass and velocity after collision. Okay, and in this sum, okay, the bullet, okay, is hitting, all right, a bullet is hitting something. Okay, with the help of the bullet we are recoiling the velocity. Okay, means हम लोग एक what we are doing is we are हम like what to say, we are hitting someone with a gun. ठीक है, you think like that. तो what it has been said that mass of the bullet, जो गोली होता है उसका mass that is 20 gram, all right, and the velocity जिससे after you hit the bullet, the velocity with which the bullet goes is 150 meter per second. Okay, and the mass of the pistol, मतलब like the mass of that particular pistol is 2 kg. Okay, and then you are asked the velocity of the pistol. Okay, now you see what you have to do. You are giving a reactional force, all right, you are giving action and the gun will show the reaction, isn't it? Now what is the action that we are giving is we are giving a force to the gun, right? We are providing the force to the gun and the gun will in turn provide force on you after hitting a gun. Okay, what happens when I shoot someone? Okay, then what happen, you in movie you see when I'm shooting someone, then my hand will also shake for some period of time after the after the bullet it goes, okay, goes off, then the hand will shake or the gun will like bounce, right, bounce back. Okay, that thing we are talking about here. Okay, you see out here the mass of the bullet is 2 kg and the mass of mass of the gun, okay, pistol is 2 kg and the mass of the bullet is 20 gram, and when we convert 20 gram into kg we will get 0.02 kg. Okay, and see when you have not used the pistol, when the pistol is like only just kept in a table, at that time what is the velocity of the pistol? It is 0, right? Mass of the pistol is 2 kg, mass of the bullet is 0.02 kg, and mass of the and the velocity is 0. All right, that means total momentum is equal to mass into velocity, that is 0. Okay, before hitting the gun. Okay, before you are using the pistol, the momentum you are getting is 0 kg meter per seconds. Now after I hit the pistol, okay, what will be the momentum? That is, you see 0.02 kg into 150 meter per seconds plus 2 kg into v. Why we are doing this? Because we are given the velocity of the bullet. ठीक है, जो बुलेट गन से चला गया उसका वेलोसिटी हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया है. ओके, बट वी आर नॉट गिवन विद द वेलोसिटी दैट द पिस्टल थ्रो ऑन अस. ओके, आफ्टर द बुलेट को, बुलेट के जाने के बाद, ओके, जो फोर्स हमारे हाथ में लगेगा गन के कारण, ओके, वो फोर्स हमें नहीं दे, वो वेलोसिटी हमें नहीं दिया है. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट वेलोसिटी. ओके, now you see mass into velocity. Okay, that is ma into va plus mb into vb. All right, we don't know the vb and we need to find that out, and you see it is 3 plus 2v we are getting after this. All right, and you see we studied in the law of conservation that mass, okay, that the momentum before the recoil and the momentum after the recoil should be equal. This is before. Now what we are doing, this is after recoil is equal to before recoil, and then we are taking out v. Okay, and the negative sign in the v indicates that the direction in which the pistol would recoil is the opposite to the bullet, that is right to left. That means if the bullet is going in this direction, okay, if the bullet is going in this direction, the gun will be recoiling in this opposite direction. Okay, now this question is done. I hope you got the thing. If you didn't get, you please ask me. All right.